Good afternoon. My name is Blanca Mercado. I'm the Public Information Officer here on the line fire. We wanted to bring everyone out because we want to go over drone usage on the line fire. First to speak is Jeremy Pierce, our Operations Section Chief.
2 days ago, we had an intense firefight at the top of Clark's Grade, just below the lookout spur. And during that firefight, it's imperative that we had our aircraft, specifically our helicopter usage. Crews were having a very difficult time holding that fire line. And during that time period when it was the most intense and imperative for that aircraft, it was shut down due to a drone operator. That being said, had we not been able to locate that drone and that drone be set down, we most likely would not have held that Clark's Grade, which that fire would have progressed eastward along that grade just to the east, and then would have threatened our Big Bear communities later on down the road. With that being said, it's imperative that we not use any unauthorized drone on our fires.
Next to speak, San Bernardino County Sheriff's Lieutenant Carrie Claus.
We all know flying drones are fun, and it makes it super easy to be an aerial looky-loo. But it's also illegal to fly a drone near or over an emergency scene by both state and federal law. So California Penal Code Section 402 prohibits individuals from flying drones in emergency areas. And this includes to gather information, record footage, or operate in the vicinity of an emergency. Violators can face up to 6 months in jail, fines, or both. Additionally, under California Public Utilities Code Section 21012 and FAA Regulations 14 CFR Part 107, flying drones over an emergency area can result in significant penalties and fines up to $25,000. Please let the firefighters do their job and fly their emergency equipment without your drones in their area. Thank you.
Next to speak, we have Unit Aviation Officer Doug Ross.
Good afternoon. So in 2014, we started this campaign, If You Fly We Cant, with the increase of drone use in the public. The big key on fires is every time one is spotted, it stops work for the helicopters at least about an hour until we can locate, make sure the air is clear. So we lose about an hour work per helicopter that was up flying before we're able to get them back up working. Really cuts into the firefight. And since this operation this year, we are just about to hit record numbers of drone intrusions on fires, which has really impacted the firefight.
Thank you for coming out. Remember, if you fly, we can't.